happening or existing at the same time contemporaneous. Samkaleen, a deep feeling of regret or guilt for one's wrongdoing. Contrition, pachtawa, a confusing and difficult problem. Conundrum, paheli, a secret religious meeting. Conventicle, gupt dharmik sabha, the organization of different things or people so that they work together. Coordination, samanjasya, something that is the natural and direct result of another. One corollary, swabhavik parinam, a correction issued after the publication of a document. Corrigendum, shuddhipatra, sanshodhan, the science of the origin and development of the universe. Cosmology, Brahmand Vigyan, a four-wheeled closed horse-drawn carriage, often for two passengers, coupe, band ghodagari, the design and production of high fashion, custom-made clothing. Couture, uchcha fashion. Paridhan kala, having or showing a great desire to possess something belonging to someone else. Covetous, दूसरे की वस्तुओं की लालसा रखने वाला, to have a strong desire for something. Crave, तीव्र इच्छा करना, a nursery where children are cared for while their parents are at work. Creche, पालना घर. शिशु सदन, to express disapproval or find fault. Criticize, आलोचना करना, the science dealing with extremely low temperatures. Cryogenics, अत्यधिक ठंडे तापमान का विज्ञान, a lover of dogs. Cynophilist, कुत्तों का प्रेमी, the use of the fingers and hands to communicate and convey ideas. Finger spelling. Dactylology, हाथों व उंगलियों से संवाद की पद्धति, a place where milk and milk products are processed. Dairy, दुग्ध उत्पाद की जगह, starting again. From the beginning. De novo, नए सिरे से, charming, confident and stylish. Debonair, आकर्षक व शालीन, a stoppered glass container for holding alcoholic drinks. Especially wine. Decanter, मादक पेय रखने का पात्र, occurring every 10 years. Decennial, dishwarshik, shedding leaves annually. Deciduous, parnpati, to convert a text written in code into normal language. Decipher, गूढ़ लिपि समझना, the act of throwing someone out of a window. Defenestration, खिड़की से बाहर फेंकने की क्रिया, the killing of a god. Deicide, देवहत्या, to do something that one considers to be beneath one's dignity. Deign, कृपा करके करना, a mental condition causing memory loss and decline in thinking ability. Dementia, याददाश्त व मानसिक क्षमता कमजोर होने की बीमारी. A person who loves trees. Dendrophile, वृक्ष प्रेमी, to declare to be morally wrong or evil. Denounce, निंदा करना, a person who treats diseases and conditions of the teeth. Dentist, दंत चिकित्सक, a public expression of strong criticism. Denunciation, सार्वजनिक निंदा, a ruler who exercises absolute and oppressive power. Despot, तानाशाह, to cause something to seem less valuable. Detract, महत्व कम करना, the state of being harmed or damaged. Detriment, नुकसान, the transfer of power from higher to lower levels of government. Devolution, सत्ता हस्तांतरण, slow or tending to cause delay. Dilatory, विलंब करने वाला, a person having excessive craving for alcohol. Dipsomaniac, शराब की तीव्र लत वाला व्यक्ति, to take a machine or structure into separate pieces. Dismantle, अलग अलग हिस्सों में खोलना, to make doubts, fears or beliefs disappear. Dispel, दूर करना, मिटा देना, the action of moving something from its place or position, especially people from their homes. Displacement, visthapan, to twist or change the shape, meaning, or truth of something. Distort, विकृत करना, गलत रूप में प्रस्तुत करना, a field of activity or knowledge. Domain, क्षेत्र, दायरा, the exercise of power or control over others. Domination, किसी पर नियंत्रण, a collection of documents on someone or something. Dossier, दस्तावेज संग्रह, a phrase with two meanings. Double entendre, दोहरे अर्थ वाला वाक्य, a short hymn or song praising God. Doxology, स्तुति गान, to cheat someone by lying or tricking dupe, धोखा देना, relating to an imagined society in which there is suffering and injustice dystopian, काल्पनिक दुखद समाज संबंधी, with great interest or excitement eagerly, उत्सुकता से, designated for a specific purpose earmarked, निर्धारित, an official order. Issued by authority edict, शासकीय आदेश, a magical or medicinal potion elixir, औषधीय या चमत्कारी पेय, fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing eloquence, वापटुता, able to understand and share another person's feelings empathetic, सहानुभूति रखने वाला, based on observation or experience rather than theory empirical, अनुभव आधारित, altogether. As a group on block, सामूहिक रूप से, the process of changing information into secret code encryption, कूटलेखन, गुप्त कोड में बदलना. The custom of marrying within one's own tribe or community. Endogamy, अंतर्विवाह, having an internal cause or origin endogenous, आंतरिक, to happen as a result ensue, परिणामस्वरूप होना, involved in difficulties or complicated circumstances entangled. जटिल परिस्थितियों में फंसा हुआ. The practice of eating insects by humans entomophagy, कीट खाने की प्रथा. A person who studies the spread and control of diseases epidemiologist. Mahamari. Vigyani, the study of the spread and control of diseases epidemiology. Mahamari Vigyan. An inscription on a building. Statue. Or coin epigraph, शिलालेख, written in the form of letters or documents epistolary, patratmak, a word or phrase used to describe a characteristic of a person or thing epithet, उपाधि, किसी गुण के आधार पर दिया गया नाम, a period of time that is very important in history epoch, इतिहास का विशिष्ट युग, giving one's name to something. Or named after a particular person eponymous, जिसके नाम पर कुछ रखा गया हो, a calm and balanced state of mind. Especially in trouble equanimity, मानसिक संतुलन, a person who is skilled in horsemanship equestrian, घुड़सवार, having or showing great knowledge or learning erudite, विद्वान, the guiding beliefs of a person, group or organization ethos, मूल भावना, to assess the value or quality of something evaluate, मूल्यांकन करना, by virtue of one's job, rank. और position ex officio, पद के कारण, स्वतः सदस्य, a person who carries out a sentence of death on a condemned person executioner, जल्लाद, फांसी देने वाला, related to human existence. Existential, अस्तित्व संबंधी, to remove completely or erase officially from a record expunge, पूरी तरह मिटाना, to remove completely extirpate, जड़ से उखाड़ना, to praise enthusiastically extol, प्रशंसा करना, not relevant to the matter at hand extraneous, असंबंधित, an elaborate and spectacular entertainment extravaganza, भव्य प्रदर्शन, the farthest point extremity, अंतिम छोर, that which can be freed extricable, निकालने योग्य, the practice of deceiving someone into believing something that is not true fabrication, मनगढ़ंत कहानी या झूठी रचना, the development of events outside a person's control fate, भाग्य, to understand a difficult problem or situation after much thought, a unit used to measure the depth of water fathom, गहराई से समझना, गहराई मापने की. इकाई, a socially awkward or embarrassing mistake folks pass, शर्मनाक गलती, an achievement requiring great courage feat, वीरतापूर्ण कार्य, relating to a system of government in which states unite, but retain internal independence federal, संघीय, lacking physical or mental strength. Weak feeble, कमजोर, to pretend or give a false appearance of something feign, दिखावा करना, a serious crime felony, गंभीर अपराध, to move restlessly with small repeated movements fidget. बेचैनी से हिलना डुलना, involving trust between a trustee and beneficiary fiduciary, विश्वास पर आधारित. To refuse to obey or accept something flout, अवहेलना करना. A young horse foal, घोड़े का बच्चा, a member of a family or group who lived in the past. An ancestor forefather, पूर्वज, difficult to overcome formidable, अत्यंत कठिन,